distance. There's a beautiful view. The castle is in between two other hills. As I said, castle is 676 years old. I spare you to go all the way, which is almost an hour from the public parking. That's why we came from the behind of the castle, okay? And I will show you where the parking is on the way back. So, 676 years old castle, which is the most important. The castle was built as a summer residence for the Charles IV, who was the king of Czechia, but also later the German emperor. Yeah, at that time Germany was called the Holy Roman Empire, and Czechia, Bohemia was part of it. And the emperor was elected, which was for that time something very new, by a different governors. They are called the Kurfürst in German, or maybe Wolfgang will correct me. Kurfürst would be? Yes, thank you. So he was elected, so that time he was one of the most important person. So he was the emperor. So you are going to see the tour. It's called the Imperial Residence of the Charles IV. So you are going to see his chambers and the replica of the crown of the Kingdom of the Bohemia. The tour takes about 1 hour. This time will be not with me, but with the local guy. This is going to be the only time we split, but the rest of the day I will be with you, and I will be the guide in the case as well. This is where the people pay the toll. They pay the money, the fee, to go to the castle to sell their goods, so mostly the merchants. The castle looks pretty much nowadays like in the 14th century when the castle was built, let's say the 676 years ago. Of course, we say the castle changed. The cloak was rebuilt in the many different styles, but in the 1880 was rebuilt back to the original Gothic look, or the Gothic style.